Honda Shadow 750 C2 Spirit. Today we are going to do a headlight and a backlight upgrade. For this one, it comes with a halogen bulb H4, and we are not going to replace the entire unit, just the bulb. There seem to be two screws on either side, as you can see here, and one on this side down here. We need a 5/16 wrench, yep, and that should do the job for us. Finally, the lights are out. Be very careful with this one. This is plastic. I do not want to ruin the existing one, else it might be difficult for me to find out something. But yeah, all the things inside the relays and everything is intact. So just took it out, and now it's time to see what the bulbs are like and how we would replace it. Now it's time to pry open the cover, and we will see. We will be very careful. It says top, as you can see here, top. So we will put the top over in the top position, and slowly we will squeeze it out. Okay, so the assembly is intact. It looks like a simple pin that could come out easily. Okay, there we go. Take care of the notch. So 3 pins, and we are going to replace it with a Chinese bulb. Says it's an exact replacement. To my bare eyes, it seems as if this would be a little bit bigger than what we have in the regular bulbs, but yeah, we can see from the build and make, looks like it's an aluminium casing. It's an exact replacement of an H4, and sturdy build quality. Take out the bulb, as you can see. So this bulb is a tad bit bigger than this one, but if you look at the position of the high beam and the low beam, they are almost in the same position. Yep, all good. I think it should go in just like this. The casing a little bit on the tighter side. Might need me to pry it, but yeah, we will see. Applying some force, and it goes in mostly. Applying a little bit of force, not a lot, don't break it. I think it should work. Yep, now it should be in properly. Yeah, it's in. So just repeat the same steps to clip it back on, and yeah, there it goes, top to the top. and we should be good. Okay, the bulb is in, and now it's time to fix the bulb back to its casing. Just clean as much as you can. Maybe needs a little bit of cleaning. Okay, so should go in as it came out. First the small one, or first the big one? First the big one. Let's fix it. Bam, gone. Okay, now the small one, and bam, gone. Top, on the top, you see this notch over here? Fixes here, so make sure all your wires are properly aligned, and this goes in to where it belongs. Just shake it a little bit, it should make its way in. The back side is having just 2 screws, one on each side, so a straw screwdriver, and that should do the magic for us. Just pop it out. So just pops out, and here comes the regular bulb. So we'll take it off. I think just turn it and it should come out. Yep, I think it's a P21 5, yeah. The replacement should come in right there. Fitting done. So moment of truth. Okay, so the headlights on. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. I will take a video at night and I'll show you. Let's see the backlights. Do they glow? Yes, they do. And they are bright. They are bright. I can say that it's bright, but we will make more sense out of it when it's night and we start riding it. But they are good. Now we will also try to put the brake lights on. I'll ask my daughter to help me out on that. Can you go and push the brakes on this side? Brakes, the brakes. Yep, press it. Yep, leave. Leave. Press it once again. Press. Yep. Leave. Press. Leave. Press. Leave. Good. All works. Good. For a night ride. And we shall go together. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So we upgraded the backlight with LEDs, the front light with LEDs, and we'll take a night ride video.
Where's the LEDs, by the way?
That's a wonderful question. These are the LEDs for the back. The ones on the front are kept on the Porsche.
Cool. Bye. See you guys.